So I think first thing to call out is we presented a unique and a custom sort of thought process on how we wanted to roll this out with Moveworks, and you met us right where we wanted to be, and the key to that was quick wins, right? We knew we wanted to get AI into our enterprise. We knew there were some core things that we wanted to do. We had just kind of rolled out a new intranet that we were trying to change behaviors, add more knowledge, get people to use it. So when we think about it, what was core for us was how do we get in? How do we stand it up quickly? And the response from the MoveWorks team was, yeah, we can do this and we can do this in a few weeks. And it was kind of like, what, you can do what? And I would say even on the Sitecore side, there was a lot of skepticism. Like, yeah, right, we'll see. And sure enough, we identified that we wanted to connect our SharePoint intranet. That came out of the box from you all, right? It broke down silos of information, right away, and we were able to do knowledge sharing and content management, right within our company very quickly. Um, we knew that we wanted to have it integrated with Teams because that's where people work, at Sitecore, and so. We didn't want to add yet another tool that people had to go, SSO into, log in, you know, comments and activities are happening over there. It was right where you work, right? Again, stood up in a short period of time, just a few weeks. And so we really went from signature to live with those first use cases of, hey, here's our intranet, here it is connected to Teams, and here it is right for everybody to use. We talked about maybe rolling it out to different groups to different functions to start, but really because you met us where we were and we got our internet set up and we got it on Teams, we decided let's roll it out to everybody and it was a huge success. And right off of there, I think the big win for us was we were able to iterate with a few more key Sitecore documentation. So we bought our product documentation in. We were able to integrate with our own product, Sitecore Content Hub. That's an asset library. So we were able to put that in for people to be able to get our brand assets quickly, which is a huge ask. Like, where do I get my signature? Where do I get my logo? Those types of things right at your fingertips. And what that brought in a very quick period of time was a lot of subject matter experts going, oh, wait, this is great. If I go and do my bit in our core systems, that folks can go, well, the name of our bot is Corey, a play off of Sitecore. I can go to Corey or people can go to Corey and they don't have to come to me all the time or they don't have to go submit a help desk ticket. So
Mhm.
because we had those quick wins, because you met us where we wanted to be with that sort of iterative rollout, we were able to get champions quickly. We were able to get the word out quickly. We were able to get adoption quickly. And then we were able to kind of pile on those next use cases.
Mhm.
The last bit, which again was kind of this unique part of our rollout with you, is we started with our intranet and then went to our ITSM. So we knew the capabilities that you offered with the ITSM integration, where not only were we going to be able to surface adding tickets or commenting on tickets, but those deep and rich analytics on after Moveworks is connected to your server, your ServiceNow instance or other instances, you're
Mhm.
able to get real rich insights, not just from that point forward, but looking backwards. So we benefit greatly from Knowledge Studio recommendations, the employee experience insights to drive what was working, what was not with our internal ticketing process. We have a great, the other part of this rollout was with our help desk team, our service desk team. They were great partners throughout the entire selection process, the implementation, and then once everything was stood up, they're looking at the analytics themselves, they're making changes, they're updating processes, they're adding knowledge base articles. So it was it was a great collective collaborative rollout where you met us, we got the quick wins, we kind of got
Mhm.
the snowball effect and it went from there.